In this video, let us solve for s given 5 raised to power x over 25 is equal to 150. Then we have the given equation 5 raised to power s over 25 is equal to 150. Let us cross multiply. 5 raised to power x is equal to 25 multiplied by 150. If you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 5 raised to power s is equal to log 25 multiplied by 150. X log 5 is equal to log 25 multiplied by 150. If you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. S log 5 is equal to log 25 plus log 150. Let us divide both sides of this equation by, let us divide the whole of this equation by log 5. This divided by log 5 and this divided by log 5. Log 5 here, 1, and log 5 here, 1. X is equal to log 25 plus log 150 all over log 5. Then if you split this, S is equal to log 25 all over log 5 plus log 150 all over log 5. 150 is equal to 25 multiplied by 6, and 25 is equal to 5 square. S is equal to log 25 all over log 5 plus log 150 now can be written as log 25 multiplied by 6 all over log 5. S is equal to log 25 all over log 5 plus, if you split this, we have log 25 all over log 5 plus log 6 all over log 5. X is equal to log 25 can be written as log 5 square all over log 5 plus log 5 square all over log 5 plus log 6 all over log 5. S is equal to log 5 square can be written as 2 log 5 all over log 5 plus 2 log 5 all over log 5 plus log 6 all over log 5. Log 5 cancel log 5 here. log 5 cancel log 5 here. S is equal to 2 plus 2 plus log 6 can be written as log 3 multiplied by 2 all over log 5. S is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus log 3 multiplied by 2 can be written as log 2 plus log 3 all over log 5. S is equal to 4 plus, if you split this, we have log 2 all over log 5 plus log 3 all over log 5. If you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to 4 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 5 raised to power x over 25 is equal to 150. Then this is 5 raised to power 4 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 over 25 must be equal to 150. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 5 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 3 base 5 all over 25 is equal to 150. If you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then this is 5 raised to power 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 all over 25 must be equal to 150. 5 raised to power 4, this is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, then multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 all over 25 is 5 multiplied by 5 must be equal to 150. This 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 here 1. Then we have 5 times 5, that is 25, times 2, that is 50. 50 multiplied by these 3 must be equal to 150. And of course, 50 times 3, this is 150, is equal to 150, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.